Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look into Speaking Part 2 and 3 Series 1 in the IELTS speaking section. Now, when it comes to Part 2 of the speaking section, it is all about a cue card topic wherein the student has to speak at length on a given topic for 2 minutes and answer few questions in Part 3, which is called as discussion. So let us look into a sample question first, which appears on the cue card topic. So the cue card topic here given is describe a memorable holiday you have had. You should say where you went, who you went with, what you did do during that holiday, and why it was memorable. So let us look into one of the sample response. So let us see what can be an example response to this particular cue card topic. Now you can start with, alright, the memorable holiday that comes to my mind was a trip to the French Riviera a couple of years ago. I went there with a few of my closest friends during the summer break. The breathtaking coastal views and the vibrant atmosphere made it an unforgettable experience. We stayed in a nice, beautiful city along the Mediterranean coast. The beaches there were stunning with crystal clear water and soft sands. We spent our days sunbathing, swimming, and exploring the local cuisine. One day, we rented bikes and cycled along the coastal line, visiting small villages and enjoying the scenic views. What made this holiday truly memorable was the camaraderie among friends, the laughter we shared, and the sense of adventure in exploring a new place together. It was a time of relaxation and bonding, away from the usual hustle of daily life. This can be one of the sample response. If you wish, you can also have another response and let us see what that can be. Other response can be, my family went to Kuwait last summer to spend a vacation and I was with them during this wonderful vacation. It is one of the most memorable experiences for me so far. During this trip, we went to a beach named Maxxcell and enjoyed ourselves a lot. This is a great topic and I would like to thank you for the opportunity to let me talk about it. Further, you can start by saying, Kuwait is a beautiful country, but I did not have the chance to visit it until last year. We stayed in a 4-star hotel near Maxxcell beach, which offered us a fabulous view. Maxxcell is one of the biggest and grandest beaches in the entire country and we thoroughly enjoyed our stay there. The beach is filled with white sands where we often walked for an hour or two along the seashore to enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The deep blue sea water was a beautiful sight to look at during the daytime, and at night it reflected the moonlight that made the place heavenly. Our experience was amazing, to say the least. This was the great place to be with my family, and I really liked the fact that everybody enjoyed being there. Besides, there was a swimming pool just for junior members who were unable to swim on the beach. During our visit to Kuwait, I mostly spent my time near the beach. In fact, my parents went to visit the city and did some shopping. But I avoided doing shopping by all means. I preferred to take part in different water sports and took some boat trips on the sea as well. I tried to dive under the sea but later discarded the idea as I was not an expert swimmer. It was the best holiday for me as I spent it with my family after a long. I also did not have seen such beautiful sea beaches before. My parents allowed me to move alone to different places and enjoy myself all alone for the first time in my life. The natural views of the beach were outstanding and I loved the seafood, so I think it was the best holiday for me so far. Yes, so this way you can opt for a different response in relation to your cue card. So these are the two sample responses which you can go through for your cue card topic. Now let us move on to part 3. Now in part 3, that is the IELTS speaking part 3, involves a discussion related to the topic from part 2. The examiner will ask follow-up questions to explore your ideas further. For example, related to the above topic. So these are some of the questions which you can expect in case you receive the same topic for discussion. What benefits do people get from taking holidays? The second can be how have holiday destinations changed over the years? And the third can be do you think it's better to travel alone or with others and why? So these are some of the questions which you can expect in your discussion, that is part 3. Now let us look at some sample responses in relation to the same questions. So the first question being, what benefits do people get from taking holidays? So the response here, it can be, taking holidays provides numerous benefits. Firstly, it allows individuals to relax and recharge, reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Additionally, it offers opportunities for cultural enrichment, broadening one's perspective by experiencing new customs and traditions. Moreover, holidays foster closer relationships as people often bond and create lasting memories with family or friends. Okay, so this can be in relation to the first question, a sample response. You can quickly go through it again for your reference. The second can be how have holiday destinations changed over the years? And the sample response can be, over the years, holiday destinations have evolved significantly. There's a growing trend towards ecotourism and sustainable travel, with people becoming more conscious of their impact on the environment. Also, technology has made it easier to discover and explore lesser known destinations, diversifying travel choices beyond the typical tourist spots. This is one of the question and the sample response which you can refer to. The next question which you can expect in the discussion for the cue card topic which we discussed earlier can be, do you think it's better to travel alone or with others and why? Now sample response for this can be, both traveling alone and with others have their merits. Solo travel allows for independence and self-discovery, enabling individuals to step out of their comfort zones. On the other hand, traveling with others can enhance the experience through shared moments and deeper connections. Ultimately, the preference for solo or group travel depends on personal inclinations and the type of experience one seeks. Yes, so these are some of the sample examples in relation to part 2, which is cue card topic, which appears in IELTS speaking section, and the discussion, which is part 3. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on this type of information, please share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.